your 19 Storm Track weather forecast.
Well, even though the calendar is reading October, it is feeling more like the middle of summer, and we are not quite done with it just yet. We are still looking at temperatures around 90 degrees for our Saturday. We will be having strong southerly winds over the weekend, and we're still tracking a chance for some rain in the forecast Sunday afternoon and into mostly Sunday night. Now, the winds over the weekend, we're still projecting those winds out of the south and southwest between 10 and 25 miles per hour. We could have gusts up to 30 to 40 miles per hour. And then on Monday, behind the cold front, the winds will decrease, but note the wind direction will be out of the north and northwest, and that is going to be bringing in some much cooler air, but back closer to where we should be at for this time of the year. So future track tonight's not going to really show much, just a few clouds here and there, but otherwise a mainly clear sky. So any outdoor plans tonight, any football games to attend to, things like that, forecast looks great. Tomorrow, few clouds around, but otherwise sunny to mostly sunny conditions once again. Pretty much a carbon copy of today, except we're going to see those stronger winds move in. Same thing Saturday night, staying very quiet. Sunday is going to start off pretty quiet as well, but in the afternoon, we will start to see those clouds increase, especially out to the west. Now, it may not be until the late afternoon we see those clouds in La Crosse and the eastern parts of the area, but as the front gets here Sunday night, we will see an increase in the chance for those scattered showers, and yes, even a few thunderstorms are certainly possible as well that will continue into the overnight hours. But by Monday morning, we should quiet things down. There still may be a few lingering showers, though, to start off our Monday, and maybe some redevelopment in the afternoon as that front kind of holds up a little bit. But nonetheless, our best chance for those showers will be very late in the day Sunday into Sunday night, and then again, just a slight chance lingering into Monday, and then we may see a couple of showers by the end of next week, but the longer term models are kind of a little all over the place on that. But nonetheless, we will be finally seeing a little bit of a pattern change here following our summer-like weather in early October. How much rain are we looking at? Not a ton of rain, but there could be a few spots to see a tenth to a quarter of an inch. And if there is a heavier downpour, then there may be an isolated spot that sees a little more than that, but we're not looking at anything too heavy by any means. Temperatures tonight falling back into those 60s, so we're not going to cool down a whole lot, and these numbers are about 20 degrees above average. Highs tomorrow, upper 80s and lower 90s once again. Our average high is around 68 degrees, so we're going to be 25 degrees above average. And then for Sunday, couple degrees cooler, but still very warm with mostly mid 80s, a few upper 80s south and east. We are still on record watch for Saturday. The record is 88. Sunday's record is 86. We could break the record tomorrow, and we will be close to tying the record as we get into the time frame of our Sunday. And then look at the temperatures next week. How about upper 60s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, low 70s by the end of next week with lows in the 40s and low 50s.